In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under alloys. So guys, we have 9 replay questions to practice with. In the video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, the alloy used extensively in the building industry is, we have the aluminum type metal, bronze, steel. So the right answer is option D, steel. Very important, guys. The next replay question is this one. It says metals can be stretched into wires because they are good conductors, lustrous, malleable, ductile. The right answer is option D, ductile. Also very important. Next subject question will be this one. It says bronze is a mixture of, we have copper and magnesium, copper and lead, copper and tin, copper and zinc. So the right answer is option C, copper and tin. Very important, guys. These questions we are attempting are very important, so get used to them and the right answers. Next subject question will be this one. It says which of the following substances is an alloy of lead? So we have the aluminum, brass, soft soda, stainless steel. The right answer is option C, soft soda. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says which of the following alloys is mainly used in making statues? So the right answer would be bronze, guys, option D. Very important. The next subject question will be this one. It says brass is a mixture of, we have copper and zinc, copper and lead, copper and magnesium, copper and tin. The right answer is option A, copper and zinc. Very important, guys. Alright, the next subject question with this one. It says which of the following metals is common to both brass and bronze? The right answer is copper, option A. The next question with this one says which of the following is an alloy of mercury? We have stainless steel, coinage, bronze, amalgam, soft soda. The right answer is option C, amalgam. Very important, guys. Last question to attempt before I end this video with this one. It says which of the following metals will be the most suitable for use where lightness and resistance to corrosion are of importance? Where copper, aluminium, iron, lead. So it's obvious aluminium is the right answer, option B. So guys, this is basically going to do problems involving alloys for your chemistry practice with 9 questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.